Hi, my name is Peter. Welcome to our channel, Glow Tots. This is my family. We love going on adventures together. Today we are at the airport in Los Angeles. We are going home. We are flying back to our city. We are so happy. Dad is checking our bags. He looks for something important.
Wait, Dad looks worried. He keeps searching his bag. Dad checks his pockets again and again. Something is wrong.
Oh no! I forgot the passports at the hotel!
Mom's eyes go wide. This is a big problem. Dad, where are the passports?
Did you forget them? Yes, Peter. The passports are still at the hotel. We must go back.
The airplane leaves in 2 hours. They need to hurry.
Peter feels scared. What if they miss the airplane?
Dad calls a taxi on his phone. They need to go fast.
Anna starts to cry. She is very scared about missing the plane.
Don't worry, Anna. We can do it.
The taxi comes quickly. They all jump inside. Please go fast. We need to get to the hotel. Peter looks out the window. The streets are very busy today.
Oh no! There is a lot of traffic. The taxi is very slow. Peter thinks of an idea. He stays calm and thinks hard.
Dad, call the hotel. They can bring the passports.
Peter, that is a great idea. Good thinking.
Dad calls the hotel. He speaks clearly and slowly.
We forgot our passports. They are in room 204. Please help us.
The whole family waits. They listen very carefully to Dad.
They will help us. The hotel will bring the passports. Yes! The hotel manager is coming with the passports right now.
The taxi stops near the hotel. Dad jumps out quickly.
Thank you so much. You saved our trip.
We have them! We have the passports!
Your idea saved us today, Peter. I am so proud of you.
Quick! Back in the taxi! The airplane waits for no one! Now the road is clear. The taxi goes very fast to the airport.
Peter checks the time. They still have 1 hour. Good.
The family runs to the gate. They run fast and do not stop.
They made it. The family is on the airplane. Everyone is safe.
Peter, thank you. Your idea was very smart today.
I stayed calm and used my English. That is how I helped.
When there is a problem, stay calm and think first.
Peter, you are my hero. The next morning, Peter wakes up at home. He feels great.
Dad is in the kitchen. Mom makes a nice breakfast for everyone.
Peter and Anna eat together. Everything is calm and happy now.
The family laughs about yesterday. It was a big adventure. Word 1. P-ace-por-tea.
A passport is a book. You need it to travel to other countries.
Word 2. Hotel. A hotel is a place where you sleep when you travel. Word 3. Taxi. A taxi is a car that takes you where you need to go. Word 4. Traffic. Traffic is when there are many cars on the road.
Word 5. Calm. When you are calm, you do not panic. You think clearly.
Word 6. Gate. The gate is the door at the airport where you get on the plane. Let's remember today's story. Dad forgot the passports at the hotel.
Peter had a great idea. He told Dad to call the hotel for help. The hotel manager brought the passports. The family ran to the airport. They made their flight. Peter was calm and smart. What a day!
Thank you so much for watching today's story with us. Did you like the story? Tell us in the comments below. Please subscribe to Glow Tots Nursery Rhymes for more stories.
Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
See you next time on Glow Tots Nursery Rhymes. Bye-bye, everyone!